sweaters. Low down. Low down. They rock low sweaters.
Okay, so here we have the brand new Polo Hi Tech windbreaker pants, part of the 2018 Polo Hi Tech Collection. I'm about to do a review on these pants. They're pretty dope. I really like them a lot. So we're gonna discuss them, review them, and let's get right into it. Okay, so first I'm gonna start at the top. Okay, these pants have a button, as you can see right here, right? And also a zipper. So in that aspect, they're like, you know, just like regular pants. Okay. Pretty cool. The zipper seems to be pretty strong. Doesn't seem to be flimsy. Now, the material is like windbreaker material, the same thing as the pullover, and the same material as the vest. Okay, it's the same exact material, like windbreaker. Okay, so the waistband is there's an elastic in the waistband as well. Goes all the way around the whole pants. See that? Waistband, and it also has loops for a belt. Okay, so you can wear a belt with these as well. All right, and they come with a drawstring, as you can see. Yellow drawstring. I like the fact that these are yellow. I love that. I like when they throw in a different color in there. That looks pretty good. Let's go to the inside. The inside has a mesh lining. It goes all the way down. It's throughout the whole pants. You know, a nice mesh lining. It's pretty nice. All right, I can see it's a nice breathable material. And again, you're getting the classic Polo Ralph Lauren logo, the old blue label. You're getting the old blue label here. Very classic. Doing this on all the, not all, yeah, well, I guess all this high-tech collection has the old label. Pretty dope. Now we go to the front here. There's a ring here, so you could attach things to it, just like on the vest. If you've seen the vest review that I did, the vest had this too. So again, you know, you could just clip things on here. That's a nice little feature. 2 side pockets. They're not that deep. Okay, this is my hand. You might see my hand right there. It stops like right before, yeah, it stops like right here at the zipper. But they're not too deep. They could have been a little bit deeper. Now let's get to the pockets, because this pants has a lot of pockets. Okay, it just says the vest. Okay, so we'll start at the front over here on the right side. There's a Velcro pocket here. As you can see, the Velcro. There you go. Pocket is very similar, almost exactly the same as the one on the vest. The ones on the vest, I should say. Okay. And then attached to this pocket, you have another ring to attach things to. So they're giving you a lot of these little rings. The other side, the same thing, but this pocket is more, it goes left and right. You know, you gotta be careful. Maybe, I don't know if I like the fact that that's left and right, because things could maybe fall out of there, who knows, you know what I mean? I like up and down better. But, you know, it's just like the pocket on the vest there. See how big it is? Now back to the other side, you have this zipper pocket. Okay, it's pretty all right. It's not that deep. It's my hand in there. Okay. The zipper adds to the look, of course. You know, makes it look, you know, gives it a cool look. That's pretty dope. And then you have another pocket on top of that, or below it. Another Velcro pocket. This pocket is pretty big. Okay, yeah, takes up this whole space. My whole hand can fit in there nicely. Okay, you got room in there. Okay. Pretty dope. And on the other side, you have another pocket, and this pocket has the Hi Tech logo. Very classic, very traditional. Okay. Okay. Again, Velcro. Yeah. Again, it's the same size pocket as the other side. So I like the way these pockets are constructed. Look at that. Pretty dope. Pretty dope the way they're constructed. Okay, again, like I said, the high-tech patch is there. Okay, now we move below that pocket. Oh, this thing is just loaded with pockets. Okay, so we have another Velcro pocket. Again, this is a smaller one, similar to the one on top, all the way at the top, the first two I showed you, not that big. Okay, but the thing is, there's another pocket on the side of that. See here, you see this? That might be the back. Is that the back? Yeah, it's basically, yeah, like on the back. See that? Another pocket on the back part of the pant, connected to this pocket. Okay? Velcro again. All these pockets are Velcro, except for the one with the zipper. Okay, the other side is the same thing. Another Velcro pocket, one right next to it, behind it. Okay? So you get those pockets. Okay, now we get to the bottom of the pants, and there is a zipper. Okay, this zipper opens up the bottom part of the pants. Let's open that up. Okay? In case you're wearing boots or whatever, you know, you could open it up. I like that look. That's pretty nice. Okay. Again, you can see the mesh. The other side, the same thing. Okay. The button with the zipper, same thing on both sides. Very basic. These pants are really nice. Let's see the back now. Let's turn them over. Okay, we got more pockets on the back. On the top, we have two zipper pockets. Okay? Two zipper pockets back here. Yeah, they're not that deep. They're deep enough, but not that deep. Okay, that's my hand in there. See how much my hand fits in there? Yeah, we got one there. And we got one here. Nice. See that? Okay. And of course you can see the belt rings. Okay. And here's a better look of the pockets that I told you about that were on the back. Okay, here they go. One here, one on the other leg. I mean, that's basically it, you know. These pants are pretty nice though, man. They go well with the jacket. These are nice pants. I like them a lot. I like them from when I first seen them. Like utility pants, I guess you call them. Yeah, utility pants. So these are pretty dope. Again, these are another, you know, it's another good collector's piece. These are gonna be a nice collector's piece, man. And they're very functional too. And they look good. So these are gonna be good. I recommend everybody go out and get these. You know, don't wait till the last minute for these. You're starting not to see them in the stores. They're starting to, you know, be hard to find. But go out, you gotta go out and get these. These are dope. One. Till next time.
Low down. Low down.